Hello, this is Ernest Burley, your CIA, your cool insurance agent, back at you again with some more great information on insurance. I'm a licensed insurance agent with over 30 years experience in the industry with clients all across the country in various insurance capacities. Our areas of expertise include auto, home, renters, condos, long-term care, disability, life insurance, business policies, church policies, professional liability, general liability, the whole gamut. So the purpose of this podcast is to empower you, to enlighten you, to educate you, and give you the good, practical, unbiased, objective information so you can make the right decisions for you and for your family. Okay. That's it for the intro. Like I say every week, I don't like these long intros. I just want to give you some information about me and let's jump right into it. Okay. So the title today's podcast is File an Insurance Claim. Yes or no? Hmm. Some people say that's what insurance is for, right? When they talk about filing insurance claims. And man, that's just not a wise train of thought whatsoever. And people in the insurance industry, when they hear something like that, they really kind of cringe, to tell you the truth, because a person who thinks like that in the insurance industry, I'm giving you an inside scoop right here. You're considered a bad risk because a person who thinks like that just thinks, oh yeah, just willy nilly, that's what insurance is for. I just file claims whenever. You're a bad risk. Because you haven't thought it through, you really don't understand the purpose of insurance and how it's there to help you out. Insurance is designed to protect you in the case of large claims or large situations that may cause you a financial hardship, not small claims. It's not designed for small claims whatsoever. So you want to be wise, be strategic about filing a claim. Okay, think twice before you file a small claim, because too many claims on your record, whether there's small claims or large claims, too many claims on your claim history will jeopardize your insurance policy for sure. And then you don't want to be on that side of the line where you have a policy being canceled or non-renewed by your insurance company, and you're trying to find coverage elsewhere with all these claims on your record. That's going to be a tough way to go for sure. I'm just telling you, tough way to go. If you are able to find another company that will pick you up, your premiums are going to be much higher. You're going to be in a much different situation. So just be smart about it and think twice about filing claims, especially small claims. Deductibles are designed to help prevent small claims. They're designed to help you out. If there were no deductibles, premiums would be through the roof. You think premiums are high now? Just imagine if people could just file a claim for $50 or $100 or $200 just willy-nilly for anything. Insurance companies will charge a much higher premium for that, right? So just think about it. The insured has to absorb whatever that deductible amount is. So if you have a $1,000 deductible or whatever it is, that means that's the amount that you're responsible for any covered claim. So that kind of keeps premiums kind of in line. You think they're expensive now, but whew, you don't want to see what the premiums would be if there were no deductibles in place. Now, deductibles have increased over time, actually. Like a long time ago, when I started, well over 30 years ago, it would be nothing to see. It would be standard to see $100 or a $250 deductible on a homeowner's policy. You can't get that now. No company going to give you $100 deductible on a homeowner's policy or $250. The standard deductible now for a homeowner's policy is $1,000. That's the standard, and some are even higher than that. Also on the auto policy, back in the day, long time ago, I'm dating myself. Wow. It was very standard or common to see a zero deductible on comprehensive and like $100 deductible on a collision type coverage. So those are two different physical damage coverages on your vehicle. So no big deal to see a zero deductible on comprehensive and 100 on collision. Now those are standard 500 across the board for comprehensive and collision. Those are standard deductibles for auto policy. So deductibles have increased to try and keep those policies manageable as regards to the premium. Okay. So now, if a claim is going to be close to your deductible, why would you file that claim? So, for example, if you have a homeowner's policy and something happens to your home and the damage ends up being $1,100 or $1,200 and you have $1,000 deductible, why would you file that? Is it wise for you to file that claim, you think, to get $100 or $200 from your policy and have that claim on your claim history? Okay. I'm just saying, think about it. I'm not trying to discourage anybody from filing claims. I'm just saying, be wise, be strategic. Does that work in your best interest to file that claim? Also on the auto side, to buff out a fender or repair your vehicle, if it's going to be $50, $100, $200 above your deductible, is it worth it to file that claim? Just be wise, be strategic, do what makes sense for you. And that's it for this podcast. I just want to give you that tidbit of information because some people, that's how they think. Just insurances. I've heard it before. I've heard it throughout 30 plus years of insurance experience. I've heard that before. And that line is not a wise line at all. It's not a wise train of thought because if you really think about it, yeah, you can see it why insurance isn't designed really for small claims, right? Okay. All right. So our recap for today is not all claims are worth filing. Okay. And our takeaway is think before you file a claim. Think before you sink. Because if you file too many claims, you're going to sink that policy and you're going to be out there trying to find you a policy with some other company. They're going to pull up your claim history and be like, nope, I don't think so. Right. Or when you finally find a policy, it's going to be much more expensive. So you don't want to find yourself in that situation. Hey, I thank you guys for listening. I really appreciate y'all listening every week and tuning in. I ask that you share this podcast with others and ask them to do the same and so on, so we can try and get these things out there and, try to help people out with different information to help them out in their daily lives with clear, objective, and unbiased information. I got no dog in the hunt, right? So I'm just putting the information out there to try to help you out. If you want to connect with me, my email address is very easy, ernestburleyjr@gmail.com. It's just my full name at gmail.com. So that's ERNESTBURLEYJR@gmail.com. Or you can call my firm as 301-262-2600. Again, that's 301-262-2600. All of my podcasts are on YouTube, so please go over to my YouTube channel and check out the different podcasts on there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and get those YouTube subscriptions up. It's funny, you see some of these crazy things that have like 1 million subscriptions or 500,000 or whatever, 5 million subscriptions, and I'm like, are you serious? So hopefully this is some helpful information for you that can really make impactful improvements in your life. I mean, my YouTube podcasts, I think, are very helpful, and they cover various areas of insurance and other different areas, real estate and succeeding in your career and things of that nature. Okay, so please head over there, subscribe, ask other people to do the same. Now, that is it for today's podcast. It's a short one. Okay, I just wanted to put that out there in the atmosphere so to help you out in the arena of filing claims. Okay, be wise about it, be strategic, see if it makes sense for you to do that. Okay, until next time, this is your CIA, your cool insurance agent, Ernest Burley Jr. signing off. Y'all be safe out there and take care. Okay.